Good morning. I am here outside of s3e Shasta. Wait, no. They named it Shasta because she has to get in the water at some time. This is April and Gordon's boat, and they gave me a ride from the airport yesterday, so I hung out with them and watched a movie last night and slept on their cot because my boat's torn apart and didn't want to put together a bed last night. And also because I'm trying my hardest to let my friends know that they're important to me and to take the time to slow down and spend time with them. So yeah, I'm gonna go head over to the boat now and open her up and see what it looks like.
Even though Amanda and I gave it our best effort when we put the boat away in May, I returned to a boat full of must and mold. Pretty much everything had to be pulled out, set outside the boat, and dried out. The damp rids did their job, kind of. The biggest problem is that our companionway doesn't seal well, and then water gets inside whenever it rains, and the boat gets musty and moldy. Well, I was going to cook chickpeas and rice, but I just got a call from Gordon. I guess they're cooking up salmon and stir fry, and I told him, like, I don't want to come over and eat all their food, you know? Like, they gave me a ride home from the airport yesterday. I took 2 waters from them. But they're just super nice people, and I guess I need to learn to be able to receive from people. I've always felt like a bum whenever I do, especially because I purposely choose to not work the full year, which means I don't earn as much money as other people. And I don't want them to have to buy me things just because I don't work the whole year. You know, I don't work the whole year because I want to go sailing, because I want to meet people and explore the world. So yeah, it's a little bit of an internal struggle for me to actually say, yes, I will come over and eat your food. But I'm learning to accept things from people and not feel bad about it. So yeah, thanks April and Gordon. I really appreciate it. Hello! What's going down? Oh, looks nice in here. Well, say hi to YouTube. Alright, I'm gonna do a walk around your boat and then go get water. We'll talk to you in a little bit. Alright. April and Gordon's boat is sweet. The boat was sitting in the yard for quite some time, almost abandoned, and April got a super good deal trading a piece of land that her mother gave her. Gordon has knowledge working on wooden boats, so I guess they're a good couple to take on this type of project. It's going to be a lot of fun to hang out on in the Bahamas. So I think I'm gonna get out the folding bikes and go try to source some water because I'm really thirsty. The only water I've had so far today has been a couple bottles from Gordon and April, which I'm super thankful for. Thanks guys. But I need to go get my own. I just got back from a ride to the grocery store. I got some limes, mandarins, mushrooms. I'm gonna try to eat through all the leftover canned food that we had from last season. We didn't have much, but it's enough to last me at least a month. So that way we're starting with fresh food. I didn't get a lot done today, but it felt good just to be back on the boat, riding bike. I really love not having the van here. When the van's here, it's easy just to like get in it and go drive somewhere because there's air conditioning. And driving somewhere means buying something. So this season I'm trying to spend as little money as possible. I'm also trying to work on being even more eco-friendly than we already are. I mean, being on a boat has its benefits towards lowering carbon footprint, but there's a lot of stuff that we can do to make it better. So yeah, I'm gonna cook some chickpeas and rice, and some mushrooms and onion. Maybe I'll throw some corn in there, and put away all this shit, because Amanda's not here to tell me to finish one project before I start another, so I have stuff all over the boat. But whatever, that boat bachelor life until she gets back. I mentioned that Shasta sat in the yard for a while, and it needs a bit of work, but it's nothing that they can't handle. Gordon and April do so much for me. The least I could do is stop over and help them out a little bit each day. So we're back over on my boat now. Gordon says I'm going to be the keeper of the cocaine while he mixes the... while he mixes...
We got the big bag this time, we went all out.
Yep, it's going to be a good morning, I guess. I just finished up with the bottom paint, 2 coats on. I should have probably put 3, but can't really afford it. It's like 250 bucks a gallon. So I guess I'll have to haul out in a year or 2, depending on how the bottom looks. But that's okay, there's more bottom work to do anyway. Right now I'm just waiting. They might put me in the water this afternoon, because I've still got shit everywhere on the top of the boat. The inside's looking better. It's not all the way put away yet, but I definitely have made a good dent the last couple of days, so fingers crossed I'm in the water today.